Too Cool to Con. I don't usually do these particular videos like this. I figured it was much needed to give a needed appreciation to everybody that actually tunes in to Too Cool to Con, and that makes Too Cool to Con what it is, 98,000 subscribers. I wish it was 100K, but it will finally, get to a point where, it reaches that marker. But I'm appreciative to all the people that actually, like to tune in and get the notifications to the videos. And I just wanted to make a little short video saying what's up, and thank you to everyone that tunes in. Thank you to everyone that actually takes time to, rent particular videos that I had in the past. As you can see on the Eyes Wide Shut I did with Hustling, it's limited likes at sometimes, and then it's highlights and there's low likes. You would think with higher subscriber counts, you would get all these enormous numbers like some other YouTubers. But I'm cool with where I'm at. 98,000 is pretty significant. I guess a lot of people, can't, hold that particular title, but it will come around, and hopefully you enjoy the upcoming content that I do put out. So I'm about to say peace on up like I do on the live streams with Old School. I'm up out of here. Bye bye now.